Good morning, Prep 3. We will start algebra and statistics. Follow lesson 1, the Cartesian product. We know that X is a finite set X is a finite set, the set of 1 and 2. Then the number of elements of X equals 1 and 2, 2 elements. And we know that Y, another finite set, 1, 2, and 3. Then number of elements of Y equals 3 elements of Y, 1, 2, 3. Then number of elements of Cartesian product X, Cartesian product Y equals n of X by number of element of Y, number of element in X2 and the number of element Y3, 2 by 3 equals 6 elements of the Cartesian product X, Cartesian product Y. Again, we know that X is a finite set 1 and 2, Y another finite set of 1, 2, and 3. Number of elements of X equals 2, number of elements of Y equals 3. Then number of elements of Cartesian product between X and Y equals 2 by 3 equals 6 ordered pairs of the Cartesian product 6 X Cartesian product Y. Okay? Number of elements X Cartesian product X, X Cartesian product X, X Cartesian product itself or X2. Number of elements of X equals 2 and the number of elements of X equals 2. Then number of elements of Cartesian product between X and itself equals 2 times 2 equals 4 elements, 4 ordered pairs of the Cartesian product between X and itself. Okay? The Cartesian product of 2 infinite sets. Again, of 2 infinite sets. What is the meaning of infinite set? Infinite set can't list all elements of a set. Number of elements of infinite set equals infinite number, okay? Then the Cartesian product of 2 infinite sets, such as what? Number of natural numbers, capital letter N, Cartesian product, capital letter N. The set of natural number, Cartesian product itself is the set of natural numbers. Number of elements of natural number equals infinite number. Infinite number can't list all elements of the set of natural number. How to find the Cartesian product of 2 infinite sets? At first, represent natural numbers on 2 perpendicular straight lines. Okay? This point represent original point X, X dash, Y, and Y dash. We studied that the set of natural number, capital letter N, equals 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, represent from 0 and all positive numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, Y 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, and this region Each point of the points of this net represents an ordered pair of the Cartesian product in Cartesian product N. For example, this point, ordered pair 4 and 2, 4 and 2, represent ordered pair of the Cartesian product in Cartesian product N. And this point, 1 and 1, represent an ordered pair of the Cartesian product in Cartesian product N. This point represents ordered pair of the Cartesian product in Cartesian product N? No, not belong this region. This region represent ordered pairs of the Cartesian product in Cartesian product N. Do you understand how to represent, how to find the Cartesian product of two infinite sets? Not finite, two infinite sets. Okay? Okay. Another example. The Cartesian product or Cartesian product R or R2. Two infinite sets. The set of real numbers, Cartesian product itself. The set of real numbers, Cartesian product itself. Okay? We studied the set of real numbers. The set of real numbers. The set of rational number union the set of irrational number. Again, the set of rational number union the set of irrational number. The perpendicular graphical net of the Cartesian product Cartesian product R is an infinite extended surface from all sides. And the opposite figure shows a small part of this region. Okay? This point, original point 0, x dash, y, and y dash. All surface from all sides represent ordered pair of Cartesian product or Cartesian product R. This point represent what? This point 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. This point represent 3 and 1, 3 and 1, ordered 3 and 1, ordered pair of the Cartesian product are this point. This point represents negative 2 and 1, ordered pair of the Cartesian product or Cartesian product R. This point represents 2x and negative 3y, represent ordered pair of the Cartesian product or Cartesian product R. Do you understand the Cartesian product between two infinite sets such as N Cartesian product N, Z Cartesian product Z, or Cartesian product R? Okay? The Cartesian product of two intervals. We studied the meaning of intervals. The meaning of interval. Interval is subset of the set of real numbers. The set of real numbers. Again, is subset of the set of real numbers R. Then, the Cartesian product of two intervals is subset of the Cartesian product or Cartesian product R. How to find the Cartesian product of two intervals? This point, original point 0, x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, x dash, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. Y, vertical line or vertical straight line, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. Y dash. Number 1, represent the interval x on x-axis. Close the interval 0 and 3. 0 and 3. At first, from 0 and 3, okay. Close the interval 0 and 3, represent the interval x on x-axis. Number 2, represent interval y on y-axis. 1 and 3 on y-axis. Using another color, green, 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Number 1, again, represent interval x on x-axis. Close the interval 0 and 3. Number 2, represent interval y on y-axis. Close the interval 1 and 3. Number 3, the intersection region of two colors represent x Cartesian product y. X Cartesian product y. The intersection between them. The intersection between them. This region, the intersection between them. The intersection between them represents x Cartesian product y. Each point in this region represents x Cartesian product y. X Cartesian product y. For example, order the pair 0 and 3 belong to x Cartesian product y. Where 0 and 3? Zero x and 3y, this point. Order the pair belong to Cartesian product x, Cartesian product y? Yes, belong to this region. Okay? 1 and 0. Order the pair 1 and 0 belong to x Cartesian product y. At first, where 1 and 0? 1x and 0y. 1x and 0y. This point. Order the pair 1 and 0. 1x and 0y represent or belong to Cartesian product x and y? No, not belong to this region. Okay? All points belong to this region also belong to the Cartesian product x, Cartesian product y. Do you understand? The Cartesian product of two intervals? Okay.